How to contact eBay customer support. So let's get started with the tutorial. First of all, in the web browser, tap on it and type down contact eBay or customer support eBay according to your preferences. Now there you can see contact eBay option available there. Now all you have to do is tap on it and navigate to the official website of customer support of eBay. Now you scroll down till the bottom and you can see contact us button available there. Tap on the contact us. Now you will get to see some options available on your screen. Simply tap on one which you are facing problem right now and you are going to ask this customer support. So let me just tap on any for now. So what happens is you can simply chat with the assistant of eBay through this and solve your problem. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.